What's going on, everyone? Thank you for tuning in for this video. And in today's video, we'll be checking out these. The Hummingbird wireless sport earphones by Bliiq. So these are definitely some stunning looking earphones that actually have some interesting tech built into them. They're designed to fit securely around our ears for any active lifestyle user. So if you hit a gym a lot, or you do a lot of outdoors activities, even during the harshest weather conditions, then these are definitely some sport wireless headphones you may want to go ahead and look into. So I've been testing these out during some of my workouts for quite a while now, thanks to Bliiq themselves, as they were the one to send me these to review. So I want to go ahead and share with you guys my personal opinion and experience with them ever since I first got them. The brand itself, honestly, wasn't a company that I was fully familiar with, but after receiving the packaging, it definitely looked promising. And it comes with surprisingly a lot of little goodies as well. Not only do we immediately see our headphones, but underneath that we get our booklet that has all the manual and stuff. And then we go ahead and move that aside. We also get 2 packages of different ear tips for your ears. There are 2 different styles, and I'll go more into that in a little bit. And then we also get this cool traveling case for our headphones. So this way you don't have to throw them in a gym bag so that they don't get tangled or damaged. And the case itself feels really nice and has the logo on the side. Inside has a nice sway like leather texture. Then finally we also get a micro USB cable. No USB Type-C sadly, but it is what it is. And that's pretty much it. So the headphones come in 3 different color options: black, white, and red. The one we have here is the red one, and if we look up closely, they have a nice candy sparkle pattern and continues down to the inline controller. When I first put them on, I thought they were going to stand out a lot, kind of like what Bose headphones generally do, but these things actually have a pretty good low profile feel. And then since the cable wraps around behind your ear, it actually gives your front face like a low-key look, if that makes sense. It doesn't stand out as much as you probably think. And surprisingly, after wearing these for quite a while, they actually feel really good. The clip that it has on the cable can attach the 2 cables, allowing you to get the perfect fit. And I must say, I have experienced no sag on the left side, since that's where the inline controller is. That's where all the weight normally hangs. What normally happens with other similar headphones that I experience is usually where the inline controller is located, it tends to sag or bounce a lot when doing some intense motion activities like jogging or running. I didn't feel none of that with these on. Now these headphones are sweat proof and feel extremely durable. The brand themselves has said these have some nano coating protection, whatever that means, but they're designed to withstand the harshest weather conditions, so it's pretty resistant against water or any kind of liquid. So this should be able to power you through any kind of intense workout you might be doing. And these do feel durable, and they also have a lifetime warranty to back up that claim. So these things are actually, they seem like they are actually built to last. It also does have quick charging, which means 10 minutes of charge can get you an additional continuous audio playback time. These are also advertised to have a battery life of 14.5 hours of audio playback time under a single charge. And the Bluetooth range, what I was able to get was 20 to 25 feet inside a regular household between me and my phone. And similar to like my Elite Actives, these two actually have an ambient mode, but works very different than what I was normally expecting. On my Elite Actives, I'm able to enable these and also continue listening to my music. These don't do that. Once the ambient noise is triggered, it will end whatever song you were listening to and bypass your surrounding sounds to the headphones. So this is great. Let's say if someone walks up to you and asks you a simple question, you could simply enable this and hear the other person that's chatting with you without having to take off the headphones. And once you simply disable them, you can continue to listen to your music. So even though it doesn't mix the 2 audio together, it's still quite impressive finding that this thing has this tech inside, especially on wireless sport budget headphones. And the music quality, it's really good. Now, once again, I'm no audiophile, but from what I experienced and heard from these, they sound really good. The bass control is on point, it's clear, and it's a lot better than these $20 headphones. And I found they could also sound a lot better when you take your time on finding out the right ear tips for you. Bliiq did throw in a bunch of different styles to choose from, so anybody can easily find the appropriate fit for them. Now, since these do have a built-in microphone, yes, they can actually answer phone calls. So if you ever find yourself in a situation where you have to answer a call, your phone call quality will sound like this. These actually, surprisingly, I want to say they actually outperform some really expensive headphones like the Jaybirds and the Bose. So out of all the other microphones I tested, these are definitely number one for wireless sport headphones. So the Hummingbirds start at $68 for the black one, US, and the white ones are $69. And if you want to get yourself one of these red ones, these are $74. I'll leave links to where you get these down below if you're interested. But I'm not sure why the price difference between the three options. It could be because production costs, who really knows. But the inline controller does give us all the necessary controllers that we need for our media. We have pause, play, increase volume, lower volume, skip track, repeat, double tap to enable ambient noise, and triple tap to trigger your voice assistant. Now you might have noticed that the buttons pop out a bit higher than normal inline controller headphones normally do. I think this was done so you could easily identify the buttons by feel. When I was wearing these, I was always able to make sure I'm hitting the right button just by the feeling of them. So they indeed definitely help and make the entire experience much more pleasant. And yes, they do also show you the battery life percentage displayed straight on our phone. So overall, I'm actually quite impressed with these earphones. They sound really good and are really well built. They do have a very unique look that strongly gives me a vibe of the Flash. And the red option, in my opinion, look killer. So for around $70, these are some solid headphones. And these actually are very competitive against some really expensive headphones. For the same amount of features and stuff you get, this thing makes it a really great value. So you guys let me know down in the comment section what you guys think, but that pretty much wraps up this video. And also, if you did enjoy this video, let me know by giving that thumbs up button a like, as it not only lets me know, but also helps support the channel. And if you want to follow me on social media, feel free to do so. And lastly, if you want to be awesome, make sure to smash that subscribe button, as I always enjoy covering cool tech like this and also covering all the latest tech, as well as sharing some DIY projects. So once again, thanks everyone for watching. Take care. Peace.